Hey everyone, how are you guys? It's me, Raquel, and welcome back to my channel.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life.
Today's video, I'm going to make a fruit salad, and I already prepare everything. I'm gonna show you the fruits I have to use. It's already cut. This the fruits I already washed. There's a blackberry and blueberry, and I already cut also the strawberry and triangle size, and also apple I soak into water so it not become brown. Grapes, here cherry. This one we have to remove the ring, and then this the raspberry. I cut already the orange and pineapple as well. I have here macapuno, cut cheddar cheese, mango juice. Okay, let's start now. Okay guys, let's add now the strawberry, and let's add this pineapple, and then this orange. It's juicy. Raspberry, it's colorful. Apple, grapes, green grapes, so become colorful the salad. And then guys, if you use the chemical to wash the fruits or vegetable, much better you can put or soak in the water with salt, little salt, than the other chemicals. So make sure that our food is healthy. This I already cut with square. Okay. We have to wash the raspberry nicely, because sometimes we check inside there is worm. Let's add the cherry. Let's add the macapuno. Oh, it's shaking, huh? Let's add the mango juice. Okay. Mix together. It's so nice and so healthy. You have to add more juice. So here it is, guys. It's so colorful. So guys, the fruit salad is done. You can try if you want. Wanna taste? The fruit is ready. And come to Miss Junaliba to taste the fruit. Wanna try?
Can I try?
Come over here.
Wow.
I have here guest. This is my guest.
Guys, I'll try the fruit salad of Alea Raquel.
And please, okay.
It looks yummy.
Wow. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and
For me also, Jonah Leva.
I will follow on my Instagram and like my Facebook fan page. Thank you for watching.
God bless.
This is for you. Complete package. Bye. Right? What about the other one?
You can try it. So nice. Yummy. Delicious.
Sarap! Masarap daw, guys.
Sarap na sarap.
Hello? A fruit salad is ready, please. Can you send it to another house for party? How many hours? 10 minutes is over. Yeah. Okay, this
Hindi na tutikim.
guys, this salad is we will bring to another house because there's a family party over there. So, again, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Raquel's Vlog, and follow on my Instagram account and like my Facebook fan page, and also my friend can promote her channel also.
Don't forget to subscribe me, Jonah Leva.
Aywa,
Thank you.
God bless everyone and thank you for watching.
Sarap.
It's my life.